Let's find out the image formation by a concave mirror for different positions of the object from it. A concave mirror on a stand, a candle with flame, and a paper screen to capture the image are taken on a horizontal surface as shown. Positions of the center of curvature C, focal point F, and pole P are marked from the concave mirror. When the object, that is the candle, is placed at infinity, how is the image formed? Adjust the position of the screen until you get a sharp image. We can see that a bright point-sized image is formed on the screen when the screen is in the position F. With the candle placed beyond the position C, adjust the screen until you get a sharp, bright image of the candle flame on it. We can see that a sharp, bright candle flame image is obtained on the screen when the screen is placed between C and F. The real image formed on the screen is inverted and diminished. Similarly, with the candle placed at position C, adjust the position of the screen. We can see that a clear image of flame is formed when the screen is placed at C. It is a same-sized inverted image. With the candle placed between C and F, adjust the position of the screen to get a sharp, bright image of the candle flame on it. We can see that a clear, magnified, inverted image of flame is formed when the screen is placed beyond C. With the candle placed at F, adjust position of the screen. We can see that an image could not be captured on the screen at a very large distance. This can be verified with the help of ray diagram. Here, we can see that a highly enlarged image is formed at infinity. With the candle placed between P and F, adjust the position of the screen. Here, we can't capture the image on the screen. From the ray diagram, we can see that the image can't be formed in front of the mirror. Thus, it is a virtual image which is enlarged and erect as seen in the mirror. Hence, we find that image formed by concave mirror is real or virtual, magnified, same-sized or diminished, erect or inverted for different positions of object.